Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 245 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The scope of this particular bill is very restricted, and there is no intention of expanding that scope so far as this amendment is concerned. But since the whole film industry is an important one, and as I see from the number of amendments tabled that honorable members are also taking a keen interest in the matter, I am alive to the situation, and a thorough inquiry is going to be made into the film industry from all points of view. It is then that this House may go into the different aspects of the question as regards the length of time that a film should be shown, the length of the film, and a number of other considerations which may come in. As I glance at the amendments tabled here, I see that a number of amendments are of that nature. It is natural that these amendments are placed before the House, but I beg to submit that since the object of this particular amendment is very restricted and one pointed, it is better that we concentrate upon this one single aspect, postponing the consideration of other aspects to the occasion when a more comprehensive bill is to be introduced in this House. We shall have ample opportunity at that time to go into the whole matter when the inquiry committee makes its own recommendations on different aspects and a suitable bill is framed in terms of those recommendations. Therefore, I should like to request honorable members to see that we restrict ourselves to consider this one single important aspect and leave the matter there. Now, the main considerations which weigh with us at the time we see a film are these. Some people would say that if it is a bad and unsuitable film, we should completely ban it. Why make a discrimination between a film which is suitable for adults only and not suitable for children and adolescents? But as we look at the films that are coming up, and also as we look at the law that exists in some of the foreign countries, we see that a discrimination is made. In fact, in a number of other things also, we make this discrimination between children and adolescents on the one side and adults on the other. In clubs or in dance halls or some such other places, membership is restricted only to adults. So it is on the same principle, but for a greater number of considerations that this amendment has been introduced here. For instance, among films, there are what are called horrific films where bloody scenes of murder or sudden catastrophes take place.